Welcome back to SoulSync. You are going to love this video because these are not obvious, surface-level signs. These are the quiet, intimate, slightly crazy things a man does only when his heart is fully involved. Not with a crush, not with a situationship, only with the woman he loves. If you've ever felt confused about his feelings, or wondered if you're actually special to him, this video will give you clarity. Some of these signs are soft, some are spicy, and some will make you think, wait, he does that with me. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's get into it. 1. He softens his voice around you. When a man loves you, his voice changes without him realizing it. He talks to you more gently, more slowly, and with warmth he doesn't use with others. Even confident, loud men become unintentionally soft when they speak to the woman they love. It's not forced, it's instinct. His tone carries care, not just words. You'll notice he never sounds harsh with you, even during serious conversations. This softness shows emotional safety. He feels calm with you, so his nervous system relaxes. Around you, he doesn't need to impress or dominate. He just exists. That's why his voice feels comforting, almost like it wraps around you. You may even notice he lowers his voice slightly when he's close to you. That's intimacy speaking, not effort. He doesn't do this with everyone. With others, he stays normal, casual, or guarded. But with you, there's a tenderness that slips out naturally. If his voice feels different only when he talks to you, that's not coincidence. That's love finding its way into sound. He remembers tiny details you never thought mattered. A man in love remembers the smallest things about you. The way you take your coffee, your favorite snack, the story you told once and never repeated. He remembers your moods, your patterns, and even the things you don't think are important. Not because he's trying, but because you matter to him. His brain stores information about you automatically. These details become emotional anchors for him. When he sees something random, he thinks of you. When something reminds him of a moment you shared, it sticks. That's why he surprises you with things you forgot you mentioned. It feels unreal, but to him, it feels natural. He won't do this for someone he's casually talking to. Casual interest doesn't create memory depth. Love does. When a man remembers the little things, it means you live in his mind comfortably. And trust me, that's a powerful place to be. 3. He protects you without making it obvious. When a man loves you, his protective instinct activates quietly. He walks closer to traffic, watches your surroundings, notices when you're uncomfortable. He doesn't announce it or make a scene. He just adjusts himself to keep you safe. It's subtle, but it's constant. This protection isn't controlling. It's caring. He checks if you got home safely, reminds you to eat, and worries when you're tired. Even when he can't help directly, he mentally stays alert about you. His heart stays involved even when he's not present. He doesn't do this with everyone. Love makes him feel responsible for your well-being. Not ownership, responsibility. If you feel quietly protected around him, like you can relax, that's because he's creating a safe emotional space for you. And men only do that when they love deeply. 4. He gets jealous, but tries to hide it. A man in love feels jealousy, but he doesn't always express it directly. Instead of accusing you, he becomes quieter, more observant, or slightly distant. He asks casual questions that aren't actually casual. He wants reassurance without sounding insecure. That inner conflict is real. His jealousy isn't about control, it's about fear of loss. You matter to him, so the idea of losing you makes him uncomfortable. He may tease you lightly or act indifferent, but his emotions tell a different story. Love makes him vulnerable, even when he doesn't want to admit it. He won't feel this way about just anyone. Jealousy mixed with restraint is a strong sign of emotional attachment. If he tries to hide it instead of exploding, it means he respects you and values the connection. And that's a love sign many people miss. 5. He lets you see him when he's low. Men don't show weakness easily, but when a man loves you, he slowly lets you into his vulnerable moments. He talks about stress, fear, confusion, or emotional exhaustion. Not dramatically, honestly. He doesn't need to look strong all the time around you. This is huge because it means he trusts you. He believes you won't judge or leave when he's not at his best. Your presence becomes comforting, not threatening. Around you, he feels human instead of pressured. He won't do this with someone he's unsure about. Vulnerability is reserved for emotional safety. If he opens up to you during his low moments, It means you're not just a romantic interest, you're his emotional home. 6. He prioritizes you without making it feel forced. When a man loves you, you don't have to beg for time. He naturally makes space for you. Even when life is busy, you're included in his plans. He checks in, updates you, and considers your feelings before making decisions. This priority isn't loud or dramatic. It's consistent. You feel included, remembered, and valued. He doesn't disappear randomly or make you feel optional. His actions quietly say, "You matter." Men don't prioritize what they don't care about. If you feel secure instead of anxious around him, that's because love creates stability, and stability is one of the clearest signs of real affection. 7. He looks at you like you're home. There's a specific look a man gives the woman he loves. It's not lust. It's not admiration. It's softness mixed with familiarity. When he looks at you, there's comfort, warmth, and unspoken connection. It feels safe and intense at the same time. This look shows emotional attachment. He feels grounded around you. Your presence calms him, even in chaos. That's why eye contact with him feels deeper than usual. You feel seen, not scanned. He won't look at others this way. That look is reserved for love. If you've ever caught him staring at you quietly, like he's absorbing the moment, trust that feeling. That's not accidental. If you stayed till the end, this is your sign. Love isn't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes it's soft, protective, emotional, and deeply intentional. If you recognized yourself in multiple points, don't doubt it. Trust what you feel. If this video resonated with you, like it, save it, and share it with someone who needs clarity. And comment below, which sign hit the hardest for you? Welcome back to SoulSync, where love makes sense.